Hey everybody, how you doing? Dr. Jeremiah Holmes here, and I'm sitting with Master Heating and Air Technician Doug Oborn. Thanks for having us here.
Yes, sir.
And he's representing Polar Bear Heating and Air. Folks, I'm telling you what, today is more serious than it's ever been. We're talking about how to change your indoor air quality of your home and your business to save lives. So it's no joke. Doug,
Yes,
can you share that article you just shared with me about how serious this situation is about people's heating and air situation?
Basically, the biggest thing is they are going to transfer viruses throughout the home.
So you're telling me my heating and air system, when it kicks on, if there's virus, bacteria, mold in there, it's going to circulate.
Yes, sir.
And that is absolutely terrible. Did everybody
Horrible.
get that? Terrible. So that will increase incident of sickness. So we've got to help minimize that. Now, Doug, you said you and your team at Polar Bear Heating and Air have got together and come up with a package that could help all of us.
Yes, sir.
Improve our quality and safety of life while we're dealing with the coronavirus.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about that.
Well, we've got what we call a big impact flu shot for
Okay.
your home.
Okay, I
For
like
your
it.
home.
I like it.
First, we're going to come in and heavily deep clean the coils. Any component moves there, recoup coils. Second, we're going to come in with a box filter similar to this.
Okay.
And basically, the advantage to that is it holds more dirt, and you don't have to maintenance it as much or change it as often.
All right, I like it.
Third, we're going to do an air scrubber. This is the key component to it. This is one of the best products out there.
And what does this do? What is this going to do and help me in my home?
This kills tremendous amounts of viruses, bacteria, and molds that are created in the air.
Does it kill any of the RNA viruses?
Yes, sir.
See, folks, the coronavirus is an RNA strand of
Yes.
virus. So you're telling me this kills 99.9% of all viruses
Yes, sir.
or bacteria,
Yes, sir.
including the RNA.
Absolutely.
All right. So this is a necessity
Ye-
in our
yes.
homes right now.
And
Okay.
also, to end it, we're going to do what you call a duct cleaning. And it has a mister at the end. Once we get all the dirt and debris out of the ducts, the mister will do an antibacterial, anti-mold, and antiviral chemical that's sprayed into the duct.
Wow. So you aren't joking when you're talking about doing a heavy-duty
Yes,
flu
sir.
shot into the home.
Yes,
now,
sir.
this sounds pretty expensive. I mean, this thing
Yes,
looks
sir.
pretty complicated. That's a big filter. How much does this all run?
Well, normally, depending on the size of the home, it's between $200 and $2,500.
Wow.
And right now, we're offering a special for $1,450.
Are you kidding me? I can get all this for $1,450?
Yes, sir.
So, folks, you just heard that they're going to include a 4-component piece called the Big Flu Shot that normally is $2,500, and you guys are going to do it at Polar Bear Heating and Air for $1,450.
Absolutely.
Wow. Now, how do we go about paying for this if I need it?
Cash, check, charge.
Okay. Do you have financing options
Yes,
available?
Sir. Yes,
Tell
sir.
me about those.
We have 3, 6, and 12 months, same as cash.
Wow. So I could actually finance through Polar Bear the $1,450
Yes, sir.
to get this done today. So
Absolutely.
you've heard it. Financing is an option. Paying outright is an option, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So do we just call your office to make an appointment?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what's that phone number? Is it 866-625-2327?
Yes, sir.
All right. And one thing that Doug has not mentioned right now is these things are hard to come by right now. As they're coming in, we're buying them. The box filter is the same thing because they're in such high demand. A hospital system just down the road just put in an order for 100,000 of these units to be put in every patient room. So it is no joke. When I came here to this call with Doug today to identify what they were going to do to help all of us, they are literally going to save lives by killing virus, bacteria,
Yes, sir.
and mold circulating in your home
Yes,
for
sir.
$1,450. Well, thank you, Doug,
Yes, sir.
and thank you, Polar Bear. Once again, call 866-625-2327 today and get your appointment scheduled like it matters.